Working with a Thera band, it's so much fun. It's like having a little gym in your handbag. It doesn't take up a lot of space. Wherever you're going, you can take it with you. A lot of the time, people will use these when they go to a physio because they have an issue. But we've started with the resistance training, using these in Pilates as well, because it's such a nice thing to get your body into the right shape and position, especially when you want to work into your shoulders. A lot of people, from sitting like this, they've got round shoulders, they can't articulate the shoulder blades all that well. So all you need to do is get one of these in the color that you like and the resistance you like, because we have to be color coded, don't we? And making sure that you have a bit of resistance happening. You don't want your hands right out the sides, because then when you go over, nothing's happening. You want to feel that pull. So you take it a little bit lower and taking it over, where you can feel that your arms are not going to bend, your ribs are not going to lift up, but your shoulder blades are pulling together. That's the right place. So you inhale, you take it up, and exhale, bringing it over. You inhale, taking it up, and exhale, bringing it over. And as you're getting a little bit more stretch, you can choke your hands down. We use the choke. I'm sure you people who play golf will know exactly what I'm talking about. And you inhale up, taking it over, pull it back together, and taking it back that way as well. One of these, you can do bicep curls. You can do tricep pushbacks just by doing this. You can tie your legs together. Sometimes it does seem a bit like bondage, but we all get into it. Tie a nice big bow around yourself. Give yourself a present. You can tie it around your legs, working into the muscles on the legs, and of course just keeping the focus of when you take it anywhere backwards, that you keep your arms in the right position, because it's right in front of your chest. No problem with just taking it out to the sides like this, taking it up and over. You can do whatever you like with these things. We'll have one of those videos coming up with all the things that you can do, and you'll just have to give me a minute.